Well, hello there. It's me, Bradie, from Sparrow Quilt Company. So, a lot of you have already purchased the 6-inch strip cutting ruler, and we've been getting quite a few questions on the best way to use it. So, I'm going to do a quick tutorial today just to show you how to use your strip cutting ruler. So, in order to adjust the slider that's on the back, you are going to select the width that you want. Today, I'm going to cut 2.5-inch strips because it's a common measurement. We use them for binding and many different reasons, but I'm going to line up that slider with the 2.5-inch marking. And just so you know, this ruler can be used left or right-handed. You just would, flip it around 180 degrees and cut from the other side if you were left-handed. And once I have it in the position that I wanted, I'm just going to tighten up those wing nuts to keep that slider in place and prevent it from moving to the left or right. Then I'm going to, you can see I've already got my fabric laid out. I'm just going to line up the slider underneath, right up against the raw edge of my fabric, and make sure that you're using the horizontal dashed line at the bottom to line up with the bottom edge of your fabric that's on the horizontal. And that will make sure that you are nice and square on your fabric. Now remember to use that handy finger guard that is along this edge of the ruler and really press down, because that's what's going to stop the ruler from shifting around. That's what's going to hold that sandpaper down onto the surface of your fabric and really make it grip and hold it well. You'll also notice that it feels like it teeters a little bit because of the slider underneath, so that's why you want to make sure that you apply that pressure right on the edge, and you can see that once I do that, it will not move. I'm going to go ahead and make my cut, and I'll scoot that one out of the way, and because that slider's in place, it's just really easy to quickly move that back in there, line it up, and make my next cut. The comment that I'm getting from a lot of you is that you're finding your regular rotary cutter is not quite tall enough because the finger guard really raises the height. If you're really struggling with that, then I want you to cut less layers of fabric or switch to a 60 millimeter. This is a 45, and you can see that it's not a lot of distance from the center to the top. So if you're really finding that it's not tall enough, you're going to switch to a 60 millimeter blade, and that will help you complete those cuts, especially if you're cutting through several layers. It will make a big difference for you. This tutorial on how to quickly and easily cut strips of fabric very helpful, and I just want to thank you for watching, and bye for now.